Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn notifications, give us a huge thumbs up, and ring the bell so then you get notified whenever we post a brand new video.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For those of you who've never been here before, my name is Maritza and this is my daughter Surieli.
Hi.
And for those of you who've been here already, welcome back. And I guess you have to tell us welcome back because we've been MIA for quite a while. Today we're going to be talking about Ipsy. But before we get into Ipsy, I wanted to tell you guys, excuse me, I am in my pajamas. A lot of you know that I've been recuperating from my back surgery. And you also know that I have rheumatoid arthritis. And after my back surgery, I was feeling great for the first week. But I've also been taking off my arthritis medication back in December, and I was supposed to start a new medication in January. But then I took vacation. I went to Puerto Rico. Then when I came back, a lot of other things happened, and then we were focusing on getting my back surgery. And so I had not been on medication for my rheumatoid arthritis since December. And so apparently this last week, I'm having a bad flare. And so as much as I want to come on and record, it's so hard for me because I have to spend most of my time in bed. I'm going to try to put some pictures you guys can see. Actually, both of my legs from the knee down to my toes are so swollen that I can barely walk, and they hurt a lot. So at first I thought it was the stimulator that's in my back, and I turned it off. I had it off for about 2 days, but it wasn't. When I finally went to get my new medication, I had to go to my rheumatologist, and I was injected in my stomach twice for the medication, and this medication is very expensive. Each injection costs $5,000, and I'm so thankful that I have good insurance and it covers it. So I just started the new medication, so until that starts working, I'm going to be going through this bad flare. And I haven't been to the emergency room because when I go to the emergency room, they just give me strong medications for the pain, and they just send me home because there's really not much you can do. So yes, I've been out of commission, struggling with so much pain. And I did want to get these videos up because I've had this for so long. I have a couple. I have my Ipsy, my Lure. I have something that I bought. I want to also talk to you guys about my giveaway. I think I have 95 subscribers. Finally, I'm very close to the 100, and I have a couple of things so far that I got for the giveaway. And I would in one of these videos, I will show you some of the stuff that I already have for the giveaways. And I want you guys to let me know on the bottom if you want me to pick one winner or two winners or maybe even three winners and split everything into one. Keep one winner winning everything, or split it into two winners or maybe even three winners, depending how much stuff we get. But I do have quite a couple of eyeshadow palettes. I have about 7 that are for giveaways, and I don't know which ones I'm gonna give out first, but I do have a couple of things. And I just wanted to I wanted to update you guys on why I have not been filming. So let's get into our Ipsy. And I know you guys have seen this hundreds of times, but mine are late, but I'm still gonna put them up because these are mine. And I love this bag. As soon as I saw it, I found it so cute. I like the color. That teal is like a teal bluish green color, and I love this color. It's like a coral peachy color, and it does say Ipsy. And The inside is the same. I found my bag. It felt like my bag was empty. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but I don't know. I find that these bags are getting smaller every time. And it does come with a card, and it says dive in. And this doesn't give us the retail prices, but it does tell us what's in the bag. And I can't find my other glasses, so I will be using these granny glasses. And I saw a lot of people get like 6 items, but mine only has 5 items. And I wasn't happy about it, but nothing to worry about. I have canceled Ipsy, I've canceled BoxyCharm, I've canceled all of my subscriptions except Allure. So I'm just going to pull out the first thing I find in the bag. You want to hold it for me? And the first thing that I see in my bag is... Hold it right. Is this product. And this is from Ciate London. And it's a Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. And
I think I have one because it has the same label as mine.
And it smells good. I don't particularly smell watermelon, but it does smell good. And I did try this once because my grandson got a hold of the bag and took the stuff out, and he had opened this, and there was some on the outside, a pretty nice amount. So I didn't want it to go to waste, and I did try it, and I did like the way it felt on my face and the way it made my face look. But I haven't tried it with makeup or anything. Like today, I don't have much makeup on. I don't have no foundation. All I have is like a little bit of blush, highlighter, and just the black eyeliner and the white eyeliner in my waterline. I did my brows a little bit and just some lipstick. I've been trying to film for a couple of days, and I start getting ready, but my pain is so much that I take my medications and I start getting drowsy, and I just end up going to sleep. So I didn't want to take any medications today because I wanted to film. And then the next thing that we have is from the Balm Cosmetics, and it's an eyeshadow in the rundown, and it says, "What's the tea?" And the packaging from the Balm is so cute. This is what it looks like. And the color is rundown. I'm not too crazy about the color. And I'm pretty sure you guys out swatch this, but that's what it looks like. It does blend nice. But I have so many, it's like I have that and I never reach for my singles, and I have so many of them. And then the next thing I received in my package, which looks like my grandson had a nice time biting on it, because actually, if I can put the picture up, I will put it up. I believe I put it in my Facebook or Instagram. When my grandson, he's only 2, got a hold of this bag. This is La Beauté Fatale Cosmetics, and it says Brow Fix Tint and Shaper in dark brunette. I guess he bit on it, because I don't know if you can see the scuff marks. He must have bit on it trying to open it, because he did get it open and thought it was lipstick and put it all over his mouth. And this is what the wand looks like. And I do like these for my brows. And I was very upset when my grandson grabbed them, but he's only 2, so. And then the next product I received is from Smashbox, and it's a liquid lipstick in Babe Alert. And this is very pretty color. I don't know
That's
why.
a really pretty color.
I don't know why he just didn't put this on his lips instead of the eyebrow gel. But this is a very pretty color. I did like this. That's very pretty. It's like a mauve pink.
Last thing, guys.
And then the last product I received in here is called Twist by Twisted Sister, and it's a curl activating cream. And I could never use this on my hair because you guys know my hair is very long, and we don't want to activate any more curls there. So
I have too many curls, you guys.
too many. And I believe this did have a safety seal, but I believe I took it out just so that I could smell it. And it does smell good.
Yeah.
Sometimes I do use these creams like for the ends of my hair, or sometimes just to bring down the flyaways. But I have to be doing my hair soon because as you can see all the gray. And whoever has gray hair knows that gray is not because you're getting older. Gray is because you're getting smarter. And
The last thing, which
that was the bag. So just to do a fast recap, we got this curl activating cream. We received the eyebrow gel. We received from Smashbox this lipstick, this beautiful lipstick. And then we received from Ciate London this face primer.
And eyeshadow.
And the eyeshadow from The Balm, which is this color. And I'm sorry I didn't say it in the beginning, but I started talking about myself and I forgot. For those of you who don't know, Ipsy is a beauty subscription. And the regular Ipsy is $10 a month. And you get 4 to 5 sample or sometimes deluxe and sometimes full-size items. And it is only $10 a month. And before, you had to be an Ipster in order for you to sign up for the upgrade your bag to the Glam Bag Plus. But now I heard you don't have to. You can just sign up for the Plus, and the Plus is $25, and you get deluxe sizes or full size items in the I'm sorry guys, in the deluxe box. But this is the $10 a month, and that is my Ipsy. And until my next video, bye guys, love you.